Hello friends, I am back with one more important topic from communication system, that is entropy. Entropy is average information content per symbol. It is represented as H, and formula is H is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to m pi log to 1 upon pi, where pi is the probability of occurrence of symbols. Symbols can range from 1 to I. So here I have picked up some questions that are asked in previous year GATE exam from entropy. First question is asked in GATE EC 1989. First is, a source produces 4 symbols with probabilities 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 8 respectively. Average code word length is 2 bits per symbol. Then what is efficiency of code? So here efficiency is asked. First of all, we will find entropy. Entropy H is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to m pi log to 1 upon pi. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 2 log to 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 log to 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 log to 1 upon 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 log to 1 upon 1 by 8. So it will be 1 by 2 log to 2 plus 1 by 4 log to 4 plus 1 by 8 log to 8 plus 1 by 8 log to 8. But we know log to 2 is 1. So it will be 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 4. Log to 4 is 2. Log to 8 is 3. So 1 by 8 into 3. Again log to 8 is 3. So 1 by 8 into 3. So total 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So it will be 1 plus 3 plus 3, 6, 6 by 8. So it will be 1 plus 3 by 4. So it will be 1.75 bits per symbol. Our entropy is 1.75 bits per symbol. Now here efficiency of the code is asked. So to find efficiency eta is equal to H upon L, where H is entropy and L is average code word length. Here entropy we have find out 1.75 bits per symbol, and average code word length is 2 bit per symbol. So efficiency will be 1.75 divided by 2. So the efficiency will be 1.75 divided by 2, that is 0.875. 0.875, or we can write 87.5%. So efficiency of given code word is 87.5%. Now next question is asked in GATE EC 2006. Source generates 3 symbols with probability 0.25, 0.25, 0.5 at rate of 3000 symbols per second. Then find average bit rate. So here first of all we will find what is average bit rate. Average bit rate, capital R, is given as small r into entropy, where small r is given here is 3000. So 3000 into entropy will gives us average bit rate. To find entropy, h of x is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to 3 pi log to 1 upon pi. So now put the values of probabilities. 0.25 log to 1 upon 0.25 plus 0.25 log to 1 upon 0.25 plus 0.5 log to 1 upon 0.5. 1 upon 0.25 is 4. So 0.25 log to 4 plus 0.25 log to 4 plus 0.5 log to 1 upon 0.5 is 2. So we know log to 4 is 2. So 0.25 into 2 plus 0.25 into 2 plus 0.5 into log to 2 is 1. So it will be 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5. That is 1.5. 1.5 bits per symbol is our entropy. Now put this value of entropy in above formula. R is equal to small r into hx, that is R is equal to 3000 into hx. So our average bit rate R is equal to 3000 into 1.5 bits per second. So it will be 3000 into 1.5, that is 4500 beats per second. So average beat rate is 4500 beats per second. Now next question asked is question 3. P is equal to, that is probability of symbols are given 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 32, and these symbols, the probability will continue as here dot dot are there. So there are many memoryless, discrete memoryless symbols here. So first of all we will find entropy. Entropy h of x is equal to 1 by 2 log 2 2 plus 1 by 4 log 2 4 plus 1 by 8 log 2 8 plus 1 by 16 log 2 16 plus 1 by 32 log 2 32 plus so on. It is never ending. So 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2 plus 1 by 8 into 3 plus 1 by 16 into 4 plus 1 by 32 into 5 plus so on. So after solving I can write it as 1 by 2 log 2 is 1. So it will be 1 by 2 plus log 2 4 is 2. So 2 by 4 is again 1 by 2. 1 by 4 log 2 4 and log 4 2 is log 2 4 is 2. So it will be 2 by 4. 2 by 4 plus 1 by 8 log 2 8 is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 plus 4 by 16 plus 5 by 32 plus so on. So again we can adjust it as 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 bracket square plus 3 1 by 2 bracket cube plus 4 1 by 2 bracket raised to 4 plus 5 1 by 2 bracket raised to 5 up to so on. Now if divide both the sides by 2, I will get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 square plus 3 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 means 3 1 by 2 cube plus 4 by 2 1 by 2 raised to 4 plus 5 1 by 2 raised to 5 and divided by 2 plus so on. So now h by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus 3 into 1 by 4 raised to 3 plus so on. Now I will make one adjustment. I will subtract this equation from this. If I subtract this h is equal to what? By h by 2, I will get easily h by 2. H minus h by 2 is h by 2, and by subtracting we will get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube up to so on. So finally it will be h by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is again 1 by 2, so it is 1, and h is equal to 2 bits per symbol. So the entropy is 2 bits per symbol here. Now next question is P is equal to 1/2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. Minimum required average code word length in bits to represent this source for error-free construction is what? The minimum required average code word length to represent source for error-free construction means here our efficiency is 100%. So minimum required code word length L minimum will become entropy. As here eta is equal to 100%, efficiency is 100%. So our entropy and length have same value. So now h is equal to 1 by 2 log 2 2 plus 1 by 4 log 2 4 plus 1 by 8 log 2 8 plus 1 by 8 log 2 8. 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2 plus 1 by 8 into 3 plus 1 by 8 into 3. That is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So it will be 1 plus 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. So it will be 1.75 beats per symbol. So entropy is, that is L minimum, our minimum code word length required. So now these are some questions that are asked in previous year GATE exam. I have covered 4 questions here. Again we will revise. Entropy is average information content per symbol. It is represented as H. H is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to m pi log to 1 upon pi, where pi is probability of occurrence of symbols from p1 to pi. Then one question was based on this entropy direct formula. H is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to m pi log to 1 upon pi. If here length is also given and efficiency has formula eta is equal to h by L, entropy divided by length. For error-free transmission, the efficiency have 100%. Efficiency is 100%. So entropy is equal to length of the code word. Then next question is average bit rate. This formula is important. Average bit rate capital R is given as small r into h of x. Small r is already has been given in the question. Now the next question is this: find the entropy of the source. Here I made some adjustments after solving for h of x. I try to modify this question into series form, and after h by 2, that is dividing entropy by dividing both the sides by 2, I get this expression, and after subtracting this h by 2 from this h, I got this expression all over. So now this is representing series like a plus a square plus a cube up to so on. So it will be a divided by 1 minus a. This is the series. And finally find entropy. The next question is minimum required average code word length in bits to represent source for error-free construction. Here error-free construction. So our efficiency is maximum, that is 100%, and efficiency is equal to entropy divided by length. But when efficiency is 100%, entropy is equal to length. So just find entropy. It is 1.75 bits per symbol. So these are some questions asked in GATE exam for 2 marks directly using these formulas. So very important. If you find this content useful, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for some more concepts with questions. Thank you.